For the one email management task, let's start with creating labels. So for this particular task, I'll be using my personal email. We're doing the MVA program or certification under Surge. I have created a folder for that, but just to show you how to create different folders or labels within your Gmail, go ahead and click this one and then create a label for that specific folder. So let's say this is for MBA course research. So, so under each label, we can actually create subfolders or sub-labels. So let's see here, I can create, let's see, announcements. And then from the previous folder I have created, for instance, I'll be moving some of the emails that I consider as announcement regarding online program I'm in under Surge. So let's say I'll be moving these announcement or email notifications regarding the program. And then I could create, for example, another folder for like everything, everything that is about the assignments and portfolio. And then assignments, and then I can move this here. So here, let's see, since I have already moved all those and already removed this label. Now we're going to go into the settings and make sure that all the stars can be used for us to also organize the emails that we'll be receiving. And also set up an email signature. So I'll just use my initials to create a name for that signature and signature and then ensure that it is set up. And then today actually I'm currently observing a holiday for the Holy Week. Today is a Monday, Thursday, so let's use this also as an example to provide a vacation response to anyone that will be sending an email. So starting today until Sunday, let's see. Sunday is, and then subject is on holiday off, for example. And then you can go ahead and hi, um, for thank you for your message. I'm currently out of office. For instance, I'm using this also for like my work. So I can say that I'm currently out of office in observance of the week. Um, I'll be back Monday till 21, 25. You can also add, for example, kung the officer in the Holy Week and may not be able to respond right away, I'll, I'll be back Monday and will ensure to reach back as soon as possible. As soon as then save changes. So let me now check if that works. Okay, use my email signature. Um, Maybe I could add a bit more. So just try to add it again, this time with a salutation. So let's choose this one a bit large. So here, let's make it large, italize, and then I'll insert the photo of mine. Signature. And send response to people in my contact. Say anyone, yeah, some changes. Let's try to compose. So there. Since we have already set up all the stars in the settings, let's try to make use of that. Going back to the primary section, let's say I'll be using a specific star for finance under blue. So everything that is under blue color, let me know that it is something that pertains to like finance notification specific to, let's say, expenses that I need to review. And I could also use this to let me know that it's something urgent for me to share, for example, to my husband. And then like for others, let's say notifications, like social media, if it's something that doesn't affect like work and all, I can go ahead and delete those. So, so I think that's about it. Thank you very much.